Hey guys, Arun Sharma here and welcome to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox GoPro Hero 6. Here is the package. I have got this GoPro at very nice price from Snapdeal. Purchase link is given in description down below. So let's start with unboxing. Blue strip over here. We'll have to tear this off to open the box. Installation guide, GoPro stickers, safety instructions, charging cable. This is USB-C type cable. Mount, little GoPro battery, another mount. One is for flat surface and other is for curved surface. And here comes the camera, little rugged guy. So now let us unbuckle this GoPro from mount. Here comes out camera. This is frame of GoPro, and to insert battery we will have to open this. Fair amount of force is required to be applied to open the frame. Here opens the frame door. And again you have to press this hard to take this out. And here comes our camera. This is how it looks from back. Front side. This is protective lens cover. This can be removed and you can get replacement from GoPro. This is small LCD screen, and here is shutter button. On front is GoPro logo. So now let us insert the battery and memory card. You can see small button over here. You have to press this and slide open the door. And battery goes like this. You can see small thing over here. This is for pulling out battery. And here is memory card slot. I have purchased this 64 GB high-speed memory card additionally, as no memory card is coming with the package. So now let us insert memory card. Memory card goes like this. And now door is required to be closed again by sliding, and with clicking noise door is securely closed. And now time to turn on the camera. On this side you can see a mode button. By pressing this, GoPro will turn on. Here GoPro is turning on with a beeping noise. There is a protective cover over screen. We will remove this out. So now it's on and languages are being displayed. We can toggle between languages using touch screen. I will go with English, and like this, English, and go. Agree. It's asking for GPS. I will turn GPS on. It's main screen and various modes are being displayed like resolution, frames, etc. And now it's ready, and I will show you how to connect it with my mobile. Here are official GoPro apps, Quick Stories and GoPro. I have downloaded from Play Store. Quick Story is for editing videos and GoPro is for connecting mobile with GoPro camera. So now we'll go with GoPro. Here I go. So now app is ready. I will go here and camera. It's asking for location. I forgot to turn on location. I have turned on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth but forgot to turn on location. So now we'll turn on location from location settings. Here I go, and location turn on. So now list of cameras is being displayed. Mine is GoPro Hero 6 Black, so I will go for Hero 6 Black. Here I go and connect. I have entered passcode and now it's connecting with camera. Connecting, and it's now connected. Asking for update. I will choose later option. GoPro turned off in between due to low battery. So now let me show you how to charge GoPro. I will be using Type-C cable which has come in package, and I will be using my power bank. You can also charge using your mobile adapter or your desktop or laptop. So let me show you how to connect charging cable with GoPro. On this side of GoPro there is a door. You have to slide open this door by pressing this button. Door is open. Here you can see two slots. One is for C-type cable and other is for HDMI. So let me connect the cable now. Here goes cable. So now GoPro is charging, and back to connection with mobile. It is connected with mobile, and you can fully control GoPro. You can toggle between all modes, and GoPro is ready for action. So that's all. In-depth review of this camera will follow. By then, stay tuned and hit subscribe button. Thank you.